Ladies and gentlemen, this is 2025 Sacco Performance Report. I've analyzed over 38 Saccos so far as they continue to report their dividends on share capital and dividend on deposits. Now, Saccos are one of the most popular investment opportunities that we have in Kenya. We have grown up with our parents taking loans from Saccos, educating us, taking loans to buy properties, land, taking loans to buy even cattle. So Sacco has become one of the greatest foundations when it comes to financial inclusion in Kenya. And it's also good to look at how are they performing. And this report is meant for you. Probably your Sacco is here. I have 38 and I might go up to 20 just to highlight how they are performing. All right, this is 2025 Sacco report. Now, the first one, as per this date, today is 4th of March 2026. Let me start with the first one, Tower Sacco. Dividend rate, how I have categorized them is the highest in terms of dividend rate and interest rate. What does these two mean? Dividend rate is a return that you get from your share capital. There are two types of money that you put in a Sacco. One is share capital. Share capital, it's supposed to contribute to the asset base of the company as per requirement by SASRA, which is Sacco Regulatory Authority. Now, share capital, they often give high dividends, high return. So that is the share capital. It's not withdrawable. You don't get it. The only thing you can get that money is by selling it to another member. Now, the second one is interest rate, or what we call rebates. This comes from your deposit. You see the deposit where for you to take up a loan, you need probably the amount of loan that you can take is 3x, 4x, 5x, your deposit. That is a kind of deposit. For you to access these deposits, you can either actually withdraw the deposit, but it will take around 3 to 6 months for you to get the deposits. But the share capital is only transferable. All right, let's see how these Saccos give this. Now, the first one is Tower Sacco. Dividend rate 20%, interest rate 13%. Port DT Sacco 20%, 12.5%. Maisha Bora Sacco, dividend 20%, rebates or interest rate 11%. Tembo Sacco at number 4, 20% in dividends, 11.75% in interest. Ayetu Sacco, dividend 19%, interest 13%. Unison Sacco, 18.5%, then 12.6%. Ndege Chai Sacco, dividends 18.5%, interest 10%. Nation Sacco, 18% dividend, interest 10%. All-in Sacco, 17.5%, dividend 12.2%. Magadi Sacco at number 10, 17% in dividend and 10% in interest. Kenya Police Sacco, 17% in dividend and 11% in interest. IG Sacco at number 12, 17% in dividend, 12.12% in interest. Mwito Sacco at number 13, 17% in dividend, 9.40% in interest. Number 14, Hazina Sacco at 17% in dividend and 10.75% in interest. Suluhu Sacco at number 15, 17% dividend, 11.80% in interest. Then we have Cosmopolitan Sacco, that is 16.5% in dividend and 12.05% in interest. Then at number 17, Winner Sacco at 16.5% in dividend and 12.5% in interest. And number 18, Capital Sacco at 16% dividend, 9% in interest. Then we have Gusii Mwalimu Sacco at 16%, Dividend 11% in interest. Number 20, Imarisha Sacco at 15% in dividend and 10.05%. All right, the rest of the list I'm going to place it on the left or right part of this video. Now, when you look at the market average, when we have analyzed it at 8 Sacco, I'm getting a 15.5% on dividend, that is a return on share capital, and 10.6% on the interest on your deposits. These are good returns, my friend. There's so much you can do in a Sacco. Now, save the side of taking credit. You can use your Sacco to do so much. I want you to look at it this way. Have a goal. You can say, okay, my Sacco dividends or interest is going to be funding my family holiday every year. My Sacco dividends are going to cater for my school fees, my children's school fees. Additionally, we can say, from my Sacco dividends, I'll be using them to pay for the insurance policy for my car, medical, and other insurances, probably your properties or, home care insurance. Another thing that you can say, from these dividends, I'm going to be living on this dividend. It will form as part of my passive income when I retire. It could be a retirement fund. Now, a rate of an average of 10.6%, that is equally good when you compare now the average rate of money market fund is around 7%. But in the long term, because of the sustainability of Sacco, you are likely to receive 10.6%. Although this amount does not compound, we are talking about income distribution. You are receiving that money and doing something to, probably you're spending it to buy other investment, you're spending it to cater for some financial needs. That is how you can use a Sacco as an investment. I will not even go deeper when it comes to now investment side, because we know that we can take that credit and invest. Is a whole different story. So how is your Sacco performing? Probably I missed it in the top 20. You can leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us, this is my Sacco. We got a dividend on a share capital of X% and dividend on deposits of X%. Alex Mwangi is my name. See you in the next one.